here, and this morning the song is going to be called Pictures in a Cave, and we're going to have Polly and Sebastian that's going to perform for us today. And the stage is set up to be like a cave, and I did some of it in 3D just so that it would stand out on camera, but there's some deer up here and just to give the impression of like a cave, so I thought that was kind of cool. This morning I'm going to do something different, and what we're going to do is I wrote a passage of a new book that I'm starting. I'm also a writer. I do write poetry and short stories and novels and so forth, and so I wanted to share with you the story that I'm writing. It's called The Curious Girl, and what we're going to do is every day I will read some passages from this story in the hopes that you will stay tuned and also join me every morning so that not only do you get music, but now you get a story too. So hopefully that'll be fun. And again, it's called The Curious Girl, so I'm going to read it now to you. And again, every day I'll read you what I've written, and we'll go from there, and hopefully you'll enjoy that. It doesn't seem like a long time, 40 years, if compared to the length of time which has ever existed. Yet 40 years is viewed differently depending upon which person you were to ask. It was a cold night that night, first fallen snow of the season, gently falling from a gray, overcast sky. She had been asleep until the pain started, the intense, pulsating, recognizable pain, a way for her body to communicate to her mind. It was time. Time! Oh, no, not yet, she cried, stirring her husband awake. What is it now? He snapped, unamused at her interruption to his bliss. It's time, she choked out between pangs of labor. No way, woman. We still have weeks before she's due, he grumbled, half asleep, half awake. I'm telling you it's time, she repeated, sternly, in between gasps for breath. Help me, she pleaded as she attempted to lift herself from the bed, her body fighting her in resistance. Get up, she pleaded again, as she positioned herself into a seated position at the side of the bed. Grumbling under his breath, he went over to help her. Placing his hands under her shoulders, he lifted her to her feet. Oh, she cried out. Don't think we have much time. Okay, he muttered. Each step agonizing, she sucked in a breath. There was a stairway to the right of the master bedroom door, and the only way to the car. She wasn't sure if she could walk down them at the moment. Funny how she didn't give them a second thought most days. Now, they seem like the Grand Canyon. So, that's the start of The Curious Girl. And again, I'll read a little bit of it every day. And then hopefully you'll enjoy that. And so it's kind of a double thing. You'll get puppets and then also music and a story. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. So here we go with the song. And again, the name of the song is Pictures in a Cave.
If we could go on grounded passion, where would it lead? Where would we go? Across the oceans or over the mountain range? What would we see in a jungle or a place new to all? Pictures in a cave on the wall. 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 On the wall. Pictures in a cave on the wall.